honestly, our Pinarayi Vijayan government completely cheating all the Kerala peoples. And then our taxpayers giving the lot of money randomly lavished and robbery system implemented in our state for the comrades. And latest example, our Kozhikode Medical College Hospital incident. Please think about it. 200 crore rupees expense build up the Kozhikode Medical College new functioning system. And then lot of patients, almost every single day, thousands of number patients reached the medical college. But no equipment protection system because of not sufficient doctors and another employments. Pinarayi Vijayan government and malpracticing conducting anywhere in government institutions. For example, Kozhikode Medical College MRI scan machine operating to 36 machines exploded. Who is that responsibility? In my opinion, Vijayan government responsibilities because of again and again conducting corruptions, destroying the lot of money earning all the comrades. This system again and again in our Kerala conducting Pinarayi Vijayan government and comrades. Please think about it, please, peoples. You should think about it. This vulgarist and nasty administration system continues or not. All the peoples complete think about it.